Good morning to you all and happy June. This is simply a construction update video to show you where Tilal al Ghaf is up to today. Straight ahead here on the left is the Carrefour Hypermarket and shopping mall that will be opening in the next couple of months. And if I just first of all take you down the side road so you can just see the RGS School, the Royal Grammar School of Guildford, Surrey from England. And it's this school that is attracting so many to this project right now. A very prestigious school, one of the top in the UK and been open now 2.5 years. So the RGS, here you have it on your left side, already open and into year 3. So as we drive down here, you will see over to our left is the phase for Aura. Okay, so I'll just go around the roundabout. This is actually closed, but you can just see around the roundabout what's the update for Aura. So we'll just go down to our right here. So this is the construction for Aura. Okay, so these are the Aura townhouses on our right, which there is no building for the Aura townhouses, but straight ahead on our right, that is actually the entrance that's coming into Aura for the Sky twin villas. Okay, so the twin villas, don't confuse them with the Aura townhouses. Then we go back around the roundabout and there is the Royal Grammar School of Guildford. So if you just bear with me, then I'm going to take you on the next bit of the drive so you can see the project from the main road as well. So this is if we're driving back towards Sports City straight ahead, and then Victory Heights to our left. So Royal Grammar School of Guildford is now on our right, and we are coming back to join the main road. Okay, so this project has really come on in leaps and bounds. We've nearly got most of phase 1 Elan residents and owners now moved in. So they're still continuing with handover of phase 1. So if you're phase 2 and 3, that's a little bit longer. There you go. You can just see the construction of the shopping mall that's coming on. Very exciting. So when that's open, we'll have the Carrefour Hypermarket. We'll have coffee shops. There's going to be a gents salon in the first phase, and then in the second phase I hear talks of a ladies salon, and then this is the official entrance coming into the main project. Okay, so now join me as we go through the official entrance, and this is Elan over there to our left. Okay, so these are the Elan townhouses. This is the main entrance in to your new home. So those of you watching from overseas that have already bought, or maybe some of you are looking to purchase, by the way, if you are looking to purchase, you better be very fast because these properties are literally going up by the day. The cheapest property today, and we are the first week of June, is now at 2.5 million dirham, and I think that might sell today, which means the next property up is 2.55 million dirham. Okay, so here you have townhouses on my left, and basically if you see, the corner units are the 4 bedrooms, and in the middle these are the 3-bedroom townhouses, and you can see the landscaping is all in, and then straight ahead that is the beginning of the Aura twin villas. Okay, so that's why it's all shut off and we can't drive further down here for now. But Majid Al Futtaim do very well with their landscaping and really handing over the community so that those who are already living on site are not at all affected by the construction and the traffic. So if we just carry on, I want to just show you how it's looking as well. So there we have it. So Elan, for those of you who own an Elan, congratulations, you finally got your home. Bet you're thoroughly excited. And for those of you watching, we do have these properties for rent. So I have 3 and 4 bedroom Elans for rent. So do get in touch. I don't normally do rentals, but because I own a property on Tilal al Ghaf, I'm very happy to help my fellow neighbours rent out their properties and homes, because I know this community so well now, so it makes sense. So then we come out here and we're facing towards Studio City out there. And then if we come back here, so you'll see from Hesse Street now, here are the Elan on our right. Okay, and straight ahead, if you were to carry on, that is, as far as you can see, that is the Damac Lagoons where the blue board is, and then on the left that's Damac Hills 1 over there. So on our right Here are the Elan, and these ones are still being handed over one unit at a time. And now the new entrance in right now to see the whole project when you have an appointment is actually here off this road. So this is the 54, and it's a little bit challenging at the moment because you have to go all the way down after you've been here to come back up. So don't come to this part first, go to the other part and then finish here. Okay, so on my right you can see again the Elan townhouses, and then it starts to go into the Harmony Villas shortly. And this area on our right, there's all sorts of different talk and rumours that's going to be a metro line, there's going to be an underpass. So you can see across the road here is Paradise Hills. So lots of you are showing interest as well in Paradise Hills. I do have 2 properties there for sale because it's literally across the road, and for value for money it is definitely slightly cheaper than what is offered in Tilal al Ghaf. So the cheapest detached villa anywhere in Tilal al Ghaf today is now over 6 million dirham. So it's yeah, it's becoming quite a unique community, this. Very, very, very sought after. So now you have the Harmony detached villas. So you've got on my right, as we come down this road, you've got Harmony 1, and on my left you've got Harmony 2. So these are, they're not ready. The first Harmony villas will be ready to owners to move in. There are talks of around March next year. So this is the community on my right. This will be March of next year. So community on my left, Harmony 2, that won't be till probably the end of next summer. Okay, so they're working night and day. This is a Saturday and everybody is hard at it. The community is looking good, landscaping is going in. So I owned a property myself with this developer 12 years ago, and one of the things I was very impressed about, and I also bought there off plan and waited and moved in, was very happy in my home. I was so impressed with the cleanliness of the community, of the landscaping. You know, it's not just Ema that does their community and landscaping at a high level. Majid Al Futtaim is right up there, and because in Dubai we're not familiar yet with what Majid Al Futtaim is capable of, having lived in a project of theirs, a very exclusive project of theirs in Oman, I am, and hence why I bought again here. So that is your update of Tilal al Ghaf in June 2023. Thank you so much for watching. Do like this video if it was of value. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you press the little bell, then you will also get notifications in the future. So we're just arriving at the lagoon now.